What's up, guys? We're back out here again working on the Aermacchi Z90. We're going to take a look at this thing today. We're going to clean out the fuel tank, we're going to clean up the carb, and we're going to put that all back on there. So let's just get right to it. We're going to shoot downstairs actually and rebuild this carb. Alright guys, so we're downstairs in the basement of my place, working on our bubble blaster's desk, if you will. Let's get that out of there. No bubble blasters here. Thank you, YouTube. And here's our, this is our carb after we put it through the ultrasonic cleaner. I didn't use the actual ultrasonic piece of it. We just warmed it up and got it real, hopefully real clean. So, just taking a look at what we have here. Trying to figure out what I've lost. I think all I really lost was a nut there, which is probably just sitting outside. Let's start putting this thing together, I suppose. Alright, so we got that carb rebuilt. Got it on there. We do have just a test wire in there until I can get the throttle linkage in. Then just threw a little K&N on there as well to keep stuff out of it. That's probably how we're going to keep it actually, because I don't care about a factory airbox or anything like that. So yeah, there it is. I did polish up a little piece of this fender last night and it looks pretty good. So we're gonna go ahead and jump over there into the gas tank. I've had some vinegar sitting in there all day, and actually cleaned out the valve that turns the gas on and off. So we'll take a look at that right now. But let's empty that vinegar and see what it looks like. Alright, so this is your normal clear vinegar, and you can see just how disgusting that got. If we look in the tank, hopefully we can get some light. Alright, got some light now. If we look in the tank, it's just way freaking better. There's still some chunks in there, so we're going to rinse it out with some water, and then we're going to let it air dry. Alright guys, so 4 bottles of freaking vinegar later. I think these ones are a little bit more acidic or something. I think those are only 5%, but they definitely seem to get some more stuff out. So after 4 bottles later, I did a nice rinse of water. See if we can get a good angle in there. You can see there's still some like surface rust, but overall very, very clean. Trying to get good light in there, it's hard. But yeah, very clean. I think that surface rust will clean up over time with fuel in there. And then if we look down here, I just put an inline filter. There is a filter in the tank as well that we cleaned up, and then clear hose all the way down, so we'll be able to see fuel coming through. Nice K&N filter there, K&N filter there, and of course we kept the patina. So that's kind of it for the carb cleaning. Also the gas tank cleaning. The next thing is going to be figuring out our wiring diagram, I think. So like I said, that's kind of it. We cleaned out the fuel tank. We got the carb all cleaned up. So all of the fueling stuff should be good to go. We got to take a look at our ignition. We're also going to take a look at the timing and then just the wiring. I have a service manual coming in That'll hopefully be here by the end of the week, so we can get a good look at that wiring and figure out what's going on there, and just make sure we have spark and everything. We might not have the right key cylinder. I didn't see part numbers on there, so it's hard to differentiate between, you know, what we have and what we might need, but hopefully the service manual will kind of help us out there. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. I want to thank you guys for watching as always, and we're going to have more of this bike coming up soon, and we have a Rambler video with the rear suspension coming up soon, so be sure to stay tuned. Again, thank you for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next video.